my channel. My name is Nancy. Thank you so much for watching. Today's video is very exciting because I am going to be doing something that I wanted to do a couple weekends ago, and I am going to be cleaning out my closet. The weather here in Ohio is very weird. It's constantly changing. It's bipolar, so some days it's cold, some days it's hot. I just wanted to clean out my closet because it's a mess, first of all, and the winter jackets, they're like taking up a lot of space. So I really want to just put away all the winter jackets and start putting in some spring clothes, some summer clothes, and yeah, I'm excited for that. So yeah, I feel like it's time for a closet clean out. So if you guys want to see me clean out my closet, then you know the drill. Keep on watching. Alright, so I'm going to just be cleaning my side for today. I do share one closet with Riza. So her side is this side, my side is this side over here. So yeah, we kind of share the closet, obviously, because we only have one closet for us. So what I have on here is this mess right here. I'll probably show you guys this, but these were just clothes that I bought for spring. So those are definitely going to be going up. I will be taking out the big jackets first. These big fluffy jackets, these need to go. These are the pink stripper jackets. I feel like I didn't really wear these as much this winter or last winter. Keep it low key, or we can go high speed, or to give it 3, it's fine by me. I feel like it's time to retire this. I got this Sherpa jacket from Forever 21 2 years ago, and I just don't really wear it as much anymore. I did really like it at the time, but I just don't really wear it anymore. And since it's white, it's really noticeable when you have like marks on it. The white is starting to become a little bit darker, so yeah, this is time to go. Since the weather is a little bit weird, I will try to like keep some jackets, like maybe the lighter ones, like these ones, putting away. Hoodies, putting away. It's fine by me. I also have this kind of like burnt orange Sherpa jacket that I got from Forever 21 like a couple of years ago. I have not worn this jacket even once after moving here to Ohio. And yeah, it's just, I feel like it's just not in style as much anymore. So I'll be getting rid of this, and the inside part is it's pretty fluffy and stuff. So I have all these bomber jackets. I don't know, bomber jackets are kind of tricky. I feel like it's kind of out of style now, but some people do still wear them. I will be keeping this one. This is pink. This was the trendy one. This was the green one. I'm still going to be keeping them. Just sometimes I do wear them. And of course, the black one. I have so much clothes that's like hidden way over here. Oh my gosh. There's just so much. Is it too late for you tonight? This piece is very sentimental because I got this when I was still in high school, I believe, and it was so trendy, like this denim with the leather sleeves. I still kept this just because it's very sentimental to me, but I feel like it's time to let it go because I do not wear this anymore. It reminded me of that popular rag and bone jacket. It looked exactly like this, so like that was like trendy at that time. It's very, very old and it doesn't even fit me anymore, so yeah, it's time to let it go. Just have a bunch of hoodies here. Butterflies, are we too old for this night? More bomber jackets. Thinking of keeping these up still. This is an oversized denim. These are, you know, pretty useful at times when it gets kind of cold. I was debating if I wanted to keep this, but this is just like a very light, like long coat style. This could be useful as well. I don't know. I haven't worn this in a while, so I don't know. I'll keep it for a year. We'll see. Another denim jacket. This is a cropped denim jacket. It's black. I feel like I haven't really worn this one at all this year, so I'm gonna try to wear it a little bit more this time around. This padded jacket definitely needs to go away, but it was very, very useful for the winter. Alright, I might just keep this one around too. This is like a raincoat, very, very lightweight, so it's not gonna be, you know, too hot when I wear it. That was on the bottom part. In the bottom part, I usually keep like all the big jackets, as you guys see. So yeah, that's what I have for this. I'm keeping them way over there. Sorry, it's kind of being blocked by this drawer. This drawer has like Mia Riza's necessity stuff, so yeah. Now up here is more of just like long sleeves, pullovers, cardigans. So yeah, I'll be getting rid of those next. Long sleeve that I want to get rid of. Well, I'm not getting rid of them, but I'm putting them away. Like these cute tops. Putting them away for next year. Alright, so I'm debating if I want to keep this cardigan. I'll probably keep it for another year. I'll see if I still wear it.
Do you miss me now?
I just bought this one. Kind of do want to wear it, so I'll be keeping it down here for a little bit.
Hard to say that you've been sad and I'm the one to blame. Thought I saw you crying, but you told
Time to let this one go. I was keeping it around just to see if I was going to wear it this year, but I didn't even wear this at all, so I feel like it's time to let it go. I feel like a lot of these top I didn't really get to wear just because of Corona. You know, I didn't really get to wear it out anywhere, so hopefully I'll be able to wear them next year.
stay and kiss me now. Make it last until it comes back. On certain days, it's hard to say that you've been sad and I'm the one to blame. Thought I saw you crying, but you told me that it was just the rain. Just rain. And what's the point of flying if you only make it half of the way?
Oh my gosh, honestly I just have so much long sleeve tops that I did not even get to wear.
Thought I saw you crying, but you told me that it was just the rain.
It's non-stop. Ah! Okay, so I pretty much cleared my side. So all of that is Riza, and she will have to clean her side when she can. But yeah, I'm about to put some of my spring / summer clothes up. So yeah, let me just show you guys what I bought. So this is a mixture of clothes from Forever 21 and YESSTYLE. I bought this cute top from Forever 21. Looks like this, very croppy. And the flower pattern is super cute. That's what's drawn me to this top. And I like that you can tie this part up here. So yeah, that was really cute. I also bought this top right here. It's a cute nude top, and it has these little cinching on the side So you can open this side up and make it a little bit longer or shorter. And I bought this cute summer dress for when I go back to Cali to take pictures and whatnot. So it just looks like this. I got 2 jeans. These are like mom jeans. Just really simple denim jeans. I might return them though because they are not really like my size. This one has less tearing though, as you can see here. I believe that was all from Forever 21. These ones are from YESSTYLE. So I got this cute flower top. Very cute. You can adjust this strap thingy here and you can make it more croppy or whatnot. It's like another cute blouse and it's frilly. I love the little sleeve here. It's just another cute blouse for when I need to, you know, wear it for a special occasion. Another cute flower dress. I feel like this is a little different from all the other kind of tops that I usually buy. So this is like a collar shirt, but this brown pattern design is just really different. And I thought it was really cute, so that's why I bought it. I also bought this plain skirt. It has this cute little like design here where it looks like it's a skirt, but it's really a skirt. Lastly, I bought this cute Chanel like cardigan. I thought it was really cute. It definitely looks like a Chanel top. It's like tweed. I am just trying to, you know, get out of my comfort zone a little bit, so that's why I've been buying a lot of different pieces. But yeah, let's just go ahead and put some clothes up there.
Wait, please slow down.
So I like to put like the short sleeves on the bottom, and then I like to put the tank tops on the top just because I like to separate it a little bit.
Certain days, it's hard to say that you've been sad and I'm the one to blame. Thought I saw you crying, but you told me that it was just the rain. Just rain. And what's the point of flying if you only make it half of the way? Halfway. On certain days,
It's okay.
I thought I saw you crying, but you told me that it was just the rain.
This top I've had for years and I haven't even been wearing it anymore, but I just like to keep it because this saying made me want to start my channel, Beautiful Dreamer. So if you're on my channel, you can see that my banner has the Beautiful Dreamer thing on there.
Certain days, it's hard to say that you've been sad and I'm the one to blame. Thought I saw you crying, but you told me.
Alright, so I feel like this is all that I have for now. I do have to put away a lot of my winter clothes and I have to go through my drawers a little bit more for my summer and spring clothes, and also the clothes that I just bought. I need to put those in the laundry, so I have a lot more to do, but I don't want this video to be too long, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys like these type of videos, I will do more transitioning my closet from, you know, summer to like winter or something like that. So yeah, if you guys like those type of videos, please let me know. Give me a thumbs up so I know that you guys like this type of videos. And I'm so sorry if the lighting is kind of bad. Like, I am only using the lights that are in my closet, my bathroom, and all that. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up so my videos can be exposed a little bit more on YouTube. I'd appreciate that so much. And if you like these type of content, please subscribe and watch my videos. I do try to do varieties of videos. I do makeup, hauls, fashion, vlogs. So if you guys like that, please consider subscribing to my channel. I'd appreciate that so much. And without further ado, I'll see you on my next video. Bye!